not the frog.
That's your mama.
That's not the frog. That's a pretty lady.
She's sitting up, Noelle.
Yeah.
I know, she's doing such a good job.
S. Oh, look at this. Look at Danica.
Hey, Scooter.
Oh, don't lose your balance. S is for sitting.
Oh, she still looks a
Look
little
at
tired.
that. This woman is sitting on a bench. Do you have a favorite place in your house where you like to sit? Do you? He likes a frog. Oh, I don't think that's a frog anymore, though. I think that's a...
Is it a crocodile?
Oh, it's a crocodile.
Oh, that was another burp.
She's happy.
She's making bubbles.
Okay, how many trees do you see in this painting? How many trees? Put up 3 fingers. 3 fingers. Put them up. Put 3 fingers up. 3.
She put up 4 or 3?
3 or 4.
Close enough.
Oh. Okay, let's see what's on the next page. Ooh, here we go, one more. Uh-oh, where's the froggies? Where's the frogs? Oh.
That's your daddy. That's your daddy.
Ooh, your dad's a giraffe?
There's Grandpa.
Oh, your grandpa's a duck?
It's a grandpa.
That's
Who's that?
that kind of looks like your grandma. Because she's got glasses. Look, she's got glasses.
Grandma. He's playing.
I don't want her to know I'm getting video.
Oh.
W is for women. Yes, W is for women.
Oh.
How many women are in this painting? Now, are we going to call that a woman? What do you think? Is that a woman there? Or we're not sure about that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Put all 5 fingers up.
Good job.
5.
That was the easy one for her.
Okay. 5 women. Oh, here comes you know who.